Hi, Hubby. There's my baby boy. Where you going? Look at you. Shy pa siya, kunwari. Uy, I love you. You going? You going somewhere, bebe? Aww. He's very excited po. Kasi ngayon lang uli siya nakalabas. Usually, malabas lang po siya pag nagkarin namin siya sa backyard. Huwag lang siya naglalaro. Pag gusto niya lumabas. Kasi summertime, sanay po siya na lagi kaming lumalabas pag summer. So we're here now at Birds Hill Park. I miss this place. It's been a long time. The last time we were here was summer. Time we were here was summer. I felt like it's a long time ago, but it was just last summer. Four months ago. Wow. Lockport now, guys. He wants to go down po. Oh, that's water, Dad. Oo nga. Water yung nagraran doon. Oh, ayun. I could hear the sound of the water. Nagawa po. Nagawa yung doon. Frozen na frozen. Oh. Hubby ay nagwawala. He wants to go down. Hindi makababa. It's okay. It's dirty there, baby. We're going by the bridge now, guys. Going under the bridge. Usually maraming tao po dito nagpipishing. Especially summertime. Ngayon walang magpipishing kasi malamig.
Saan baba?
Hapon still open. Yes. Curly fries.
Chocolate?
Yes. My favorite curly fries as well.
Ito o'clock sarado.
We're gonna order through drive-thru, guys. They're drive-thru. And then we're just gonna wait for our order. You want anything, Dad?
Hindi pa sa'yo ng kaya Philippines tsaka sa kabila.
Hi, can I get one ice cream? Yeah, vanilla soft. Then you dip it in the chocolate, right?
Dip in chocolate?
Yes.
Do you want the small, medium, or large?
That's just a small one with peanuts on it.
No?
And one curly fries.
That's it.
That's everything.
Do you want any ketchup, vinegar, salt in the bag?
Mayo and ketchup, please. We're gonna eat curly fries and mommy's chocolate dip. My favorite cone. We're gonna open the window for Kobe. He likes that. He likes it when the window is open. Hi guys! So ito na po in-order namin. My favorite dip cone. At ito na, curly fries. So we're going now. Hi guys! So share na lang po kami ni Hubby sa ice cream. Kasi laki-laki. Usually nagsishare na lang kami. So we are going home now. This is the other side of the bridge. Na tayo makita kasi puros na lang din. Not really far from our place, ang Lakpad po, guys. It takes about almost 20 minutes. It depends on the traffic, but during evening there's no traffic, so it doesn't take long to go home from Lakpad. For our dinner, nauna na po yung dessert. Tsaka snack, curly fries. Hubby wants to eat. Probably we're just gonna buy Subway. Subway po gusto niya. So, bili na lang kaming Subway for dinner. That's what we're craving for. So, we'll see you guys later.